and welcome back to Iconic London's YouTube channel. I'm Grace B Makeup and today I'm going to walk you through how to achieve the ultimate party look with all Iconic London products. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, then please keep watching. So first up, we're going to prep the under eye, and I'm going to go in with Iconic's newest launch, which is their Radiant Concealer and Brightening Duo. This is double-ended, so on the one side you've got the cream and on the other side you've got the fluid. I'm using shade Warm Fair and I'm just going to start with the crayon side. To blend, I'm just using the concealer duo brush. Already my eyes look so much brighter, but I'm going to go in with the second step, which is the fluid. So I'm just going to add it slightly further down than the crayon. And then I'm going to blend with the fluffy side of the duo brush. And this is really going to bring so much light to my under eye and make them look super flawless. Just going to go over the eyelid as well, just to prep for our eyeshadow. Next up is brows, and this is the Triple Precision Brow Definer. So I'm just going to start by really lightly filling in my brows with the pencil side. And I'm using shade Cool Brown for this. And as I go, I'm just brushing out with the spoolie end, just to keep them really fluffy and natural. And then I'm going to take the pen side and I'm just going to fill in really lightly in the fronts. Just look at the difference, and it's so easy. Gone are the days where we used to really overfill our brows and have them all blocky and ugh. And I'm just going to take the excess of what's on my duo brush and just really sharpen up that underneath of the brow. And this will just help erase any mistakes you've made. Keep the brow looking really perfect. Now it's time for eyeshadow. I'm going to start with this Glaze Crayon, and this is the shade Lava. I love these Glaze crayons. They are so easy to use, but they really do create a super glam night out eye. They just blend right into the crease as well, as they're so creamy. And then now I'm going to use the applicator and go in with the metallic sparkly side. This is where it's going to really pop and you are going to get that super glittery eye. So let's go in with my finger and just blend it in. Now it's time for the main event, the eyeliner. This is Iconic's newest launch, and it's their Smokey Eye Duo Kajal. This is also a dual-ended product. We've got the chunky side for intense shadow and sultry depth. And then on the other side, a precision liner to create an eye brightening and smouldering effect on your waterline and lash line. So I'm going in with Spiced Plum, which I think is gorgeous on bluey grey eyes. And I'm going to run this just along my lash line to get a real smoky effect. And then with a small brush, I'm just going to buff this in. And as it's so creamy, I'm just going to create a little wing effect. And then I'm just going to run this on my inside waterline just to really match the top. And this step is what really pulls together that really night out sultry eye glam. They come in 7 dreamy shades, and they've all been ophthalmologically tested, so they are all safe for your waterline. It would not be an Iconic video if I did not use the Triple Threat Mascara. This is one of my favourite products. It makes my lashes look so thick, it's so black, it doesn't crumble, just adds so much drama to the look. So guys, that is the finished look, and I'm now ready to go out and party, but I just want to show you the end result. Look how gorgeous that turned out. Their products are just so creamy and melt together so well. And this really is the perfect routine to achieve that ultimate party eye. Thank you all so much for watching, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for more Iconic London content. Bye guys.